Hey there, it's Barb with Barbie and Designs doing a patriotic decor with this cutout of the United States. I'm using chalk couture transfers with chalk paste to add some fireworks and gold and silver. This is water soluble, and so it is super easy to clean up, and you can use the transfers over and over. Now I am only going to use the word freedom, and I am doing it in red, white, and blue. You'll see later in the finished product, I decided to go over the blue and keep it just blue and red and used a little bit darker. That is what I'm getting ready to do on the Celebrate. Use the darker blue and the ombre effect as well. And so I just blend from the bottom and the top and then use my finger just to mix it together. And so you can see I'm going back over. I decided I just like this darker blue better. And so I just lined it up and went right on top of what I'd already done. Super easy. Then I added a few more fireworks and then tied my jute string on after I get done with these last ones, and then tied some fabric string on for good measure. I think it turned out great.